In this video, I will show you how to fix Trust Wallet transaction pending. So first of all, open your Trust Wallet app and from there go to History. And here click on the transaction that is still pending. And in this section, you will see more information about this transaction. This transaction is pending for a couple of hours and there are some things that you can do in order to solve this problem. So the first thing is clicking on View on Block Explorer. And in here you can see more information about this transaction. So the ETA is not anytime soon. And there is a way to accelerate this transaction, and that is by accelerating to more SATs per byte. And that will cost me around $44, so that is not an ideal option. And the other option that we have is just to wait. In my case, I'm just going to wait, but I will explain why this is happening. So when you are transferring crypto, you will always pay a network fee. And with some wallets, you can make this fee lower or higher. The higher the network fee, the quicker the transaction will be finished. So if you lower the fee, then this will mean that the transaction will take longer. So with this transaction, I made the fee really low because I was not in a hurry, but that will cause the transaction to be pretty slow because it will transfer a low amount of SATs per byte. So this will cause the transaction to take very long. So in most cases, this is the reason why it is still pending. It has to do with the fees. So remember that the higher the fees, the faster the transaction will be because you will pay for more SATs being transferred per byte. So the only two options right now to fix this problem is to wait or to accelerate to more SATs, and then this problem will be solved. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.